Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to be looking at an Epson WF-3720 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from your computer and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan of that same document, you start getting blemishes or spots or anything like that on your papers, then that's going to indicate that there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So on this particular model, there's two separate pieces of scanner glass. There's the big plain or plate glass, and that's going to be your flatbed scanner, so whenever you actually place the paper on the document or on the glass itself. Then there's a little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That's for any time you feed paper through the top document feeder. It's going to scan that little strip of glass, which is what's happening right now. So in our case, we're going to focus on that little strip of glass on the left. To clean it, we're going to use a lint-free cloth. Your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, you can use rubbing alcohol. It works pretty good as well. And then always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass. It's really easy to pour too much on the glass and it can seep underneath and cause all kinds of problems. So please always make sure you apply your cleaner to your cloth and never to the glass. Once you've done that, we're just going to go ahead and just clean the glass really well. Like I said, ours was happening when we were feeding through the document feeder on top. So we want to focus on this little piece of glass on the left side of the printer. And we're looking for any kind of ink or whiteout, tape. Sometimes it's just dust. Any kind of buildup that can cause little blemishes. Once you wipe it off, give it a good little look. Make sure you don't see anything that's still visibly there. In this case, it looks pretty good. But while we're here, we'll go ahead and just clean off the flatbed scanner. Alright, and I'm pretty happy with the way that looks. So once you're happy with the way everything looks, go ahead and run a couple extra copies or scans just to make sure that all those blemishes and everything actually went away. If not, clean it one more time. There might just be something that's really hard to see on that glass. And other than that, that should take care of it. You'll be back up and printing.